Hey, what's up Xiaomi fans? This is Christian and welcome back to All About Me, where I talk about Xiaomi products. And today we are going to feature the Yeelight motion sensor night light. Just last week, I actually featured the Mi Motion activated night light, which is related to this product. Yeelight is a company part of Xiaomi, which is an innovative leader dedicated for smart lighting application. If you like Xiaomi products like smartphones or ecosystem, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so that you get notified if or when I upload new videos. If you want to buy this Yeelight motion sensor night light, I will be putting a link on the description below on where to purchase this product. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Yeelight motion sensor night light. It has 3 installation options. You can hang it, use the 3M adhesive tape, or use the back magnet. It is a USB rechargeable and its 750 mAh lithium battery will last you 6 months before you recharge it. It illuminates upon detecting movements up to 5 to 7 meters away with a span of 120 degrees. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, but before we do, let's check out the box itself. It is actually a smaller box compared to the previous, to the Mi sensor light. Okay, so this one has a Yeelight here logo, there's a picture, and the back is all in English. Alright, so let's open this. Okay, so first thing we can see is the manual, which is all in English, which is good. And next is the sensor. We have the sensor here. And there is a charging cable inside, which is used for charging this because this has its own battery. It doesn't require an external battery. Okay, so first thing we've noticed once we look at this is, okay, this is the light, this is the sensor, and it has the Yeelight logo over there. Okay, so at the top you can see there are the slider controls. So for you can switch this off, you can switch this to auto, or switch on. Okay, so we'll be talking about that later. We're just gonna see what else we can find here. At the bottom there is this charging port because there's a built-in battery which is 750 milliamperes, so it would last you for 6 months. Just charge it for probably 1 or 2 hours, and it comes with this hook. Okay, so you don't have to install the hook, it comes with it. It's a rotating hook and it's quite neat to keep it actually. And at the back there is this plate. Okay, this plate it's a metallic plate because at the back is magnet. So this plate, maybe you stick it beside your bed and you can just, okay, so it's easy. I mean, this is very light and the magnet is actually quite strong, so it actually easily holds it. And you can just remove it as well. If let's just say you want to bring this, you can use it as a flashlight. Okay, that's pretty good. So let's compare it side by side with the Mi. So we're just gonna call this as Mi and this is E, so it's just easier. Alright, so for the Mi, if you look at the dimensions, the Mi is quite big, it's heavy. Actually this is, the weight is actually 141 grams. That is before the batteries. The other one, this one is only 73 grams, which is pretty light. That is inclusive of the battery. Okay, so for this, there's no physical buttons. The sensor is inside. Okay, so it has the Mi Home logo over there. Okay, so the only slider switch is actually inside where the battery is. Okay, so you have the 0.7 lumens and the other one is 0.38 lumen. Okay, so for this, okay, it's brighter compared to the Mi. Okay, so for the E, if you switch it to auto, okay, if you switch it to auto, it will be 3.5 lumen, and if you switch it to always on, it will be 7 lumen. Okay, so which is way brighter than the other one. And one charge will last you for 128 days. For this, the battery will last you for 128 days as well. Or if you put it to the 0.7 lumen, then it will last you for a year. And one more thing is the hook at the back. So this is an add-on which you need to stick at the back, which is quite permanent. You can't remove it anymore. Well, this one is, you can't remove it as well, but it is, you can keep it nicely. Okay, so I like the design for this, okay, compared to this one, but the features, I like the features for this one more. Yeah, let me know what you think. You can leave the comments below if you like the E more, or the Mi more, or the Yeelight more. So with its benefits, I mentioned last time with the previous video for the Mi, that it's cost effective, it's convenient, and it is easy to set up. So I would say that this is more cost effective because you don't have to keep on changing the batteries for every 6 months, and it is more also convenient. So they're the same convenient that it will just automatically switch on. I mean, the light will automatically switch on if it detects a motion, and this one is easy to set up. I would say it's more easy to set up because of this magnetic plate. The hook is here. Okay, it's more lighter. All right, so there are additional buttons and functions as well, so you can leave it on, always on. You can use it as a torchlight. Let me know what you think and leave your comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you do like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mi videos. Until next time, goodbye.